Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Argos application not working on your Android device. There might be a couple of reasons why your Argos application is not functioning properly. So in order to fix the issue, follow through the steps till the end of the video. The first thing you'll need to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or switch to cellular data and see if that resolves the issue. Now, go ahead and look for the application update. Outdated versions can have bugs that causes functionality issue. So in order to fix that, launch open the Play Store from your Android phone. In the search box, search for Argos. In the search result, look for the correct Argos application, and if there is one, tap on Update and download the latest version of Argos on your mobile device. After you make sure that you've updated the app, go ahead and restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and turn off your device completely and then turn it back on. Once you turn on your device, go ahead and tap Open the Settings app from your Android device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps displayed on the screen, tap on Argos. Now, click on Storage from the App Info page. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data at the bottom left and right. Once you make sure that you clear your data and cache, go back to your app drawer and launch open the Argos app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could follow if you are going through the Argos app malfunctioning issue on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.